When I start talking about nutrition, the answer I get from many people is I know everything about nutrition. I am a nutrition practitioner myself. I've read a book and I've done this and I've done that. I say, okay, that's good. Fine. What is the result? Why does your skin look so bad? Why do you have belly fat? Why have your children allergies? Why does your mother look like she's 95 but she's only 60? What is the problem? If you know everything about nutrition, good, but you have been missing a lot of points. You don't know about water, you don't know about detoxification, about parasites, you've never done a proper gut cleaning. What then happens if you now add good nutrition to your body? The first thing is the parasites will love it. The second thing is, as your gut is dirty and not really working, only a small percentage of the nutrition will go into the bloodstream. Then the blood is like, you're a high pressure candidate, the blood is not working properly. How can the nutrition receive the intracellular water? And if this water in you is also in a bad condition, how can the cells really take the nutrition? And the cells are the one who needs the nutrition. If nutrition is important, and yes, it is, but please follow the steps. First of all, drink water, then do some detoxification, anti-parasite program and gut cleaning. And then you may add the nutrition, because the nutrition is really, really on the long term the most important. If you just think that cleaning is important, well, once all parasites are gone, you may do a prophylactic anti-parasite program, but this is not the way how your body functions by doing anti-parasite program 12 months a year or doing a gut cleaning every month. This does not bring you to the final stage in which you want to be. Nutrition is so important because on a daily basis your body needs the right nutrition to function and the right water in a good parasite-free area. What do the cells need? And guess now what? You're hungry because your cells are hungry. Your cells then send a signal to your stomach to give you the feeling of hunger. But in the end, it's the cells. And now, read all this maybe. What does the cells need? It's fiber, fat, minerals. Cells need fat, really. If you don't eat fat, it's an issue for your cells. We have a separate presentation on this, how the cellular reproduction progress works, and fat is needed for that. Minerals, enzymes, amino acids, vitamins, water, and probiotics, yes, it's great. Think about junk food, something you just buy in the supermarket, very cheap, put it in your pocket, eat it, 6 months, 6 days, or whatever later. Does all this food that we in the Western world regularly eat provide everything we need? The answer is no. To make it short, I could talk for hours about this. We call it the code of cell, or the cellular code. And this means you have the amino acids, minerals, vitamins, enzymes, and fat. And this is what you need to have. And of course, you can get this from food, but it's really hard to get organic food yourself without toxins in it, all natural, all GMP, an everyday basis in the climate where you are, on the plane where you are, in the car where you go. So that's why we are using supplements to have all the benefits of the best nutrition possible. Having these nutrition is essential for your overall health. Following the health concept after the step 5 nutrition, it's normally we recommend to do nutrition then forever. Like you've gone through it, and then in the last step is nutrition, and of course, and protection, which is another presentation that will follow to this one. But just keeping nutrition, once you have cleaned your body on a high level, will regain you the strength and the power and the use and the well-being that you need to have. Not just because this is in theory or an idea, it's because your organs need it, your cells need it, all the systems that you have need all these things. And the Nutri-Pack is, of course, the best start that I can recommend. Once you start with that, it's for 30 days, 1 box, but I really recommend just get 3 of it. So you have just 90 days of Nutri-Pack. So there's some different nutrition packs in the Core Club, but just the best basis I know and that I always recommend is the Nutrition Pack. And here's a list of what's inside. But however, there's more details on this on the Nutri-Pack video.